Subway underground. Our train. Queensbound, our train. This is what it feels like, look like when you're sitting on the train. Underground. Let's ride underground. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's underground. We're on a station, so there's lighting, but we're underground. Yeah, 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 yeah.
This is an Manhattan-bound car. The next stop is Atlantic Avenue, Barclays Center.
Yeah, it's my stop, guys.
Stand clear of the closing doors.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Train, the train, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. When the train comes along, sister, when the train comes along, mother, when the train, yeah. Underground it is, guys.
Attention passengers, elevators on the DN&R platform in Atlantic Avenue, Barclays Center are out of service until April. The elevator service at Atlantic Avenue, stay on this train to DeKalb Avenue, and transfer to a Cornell Mountain Train or Brighton Beach Avenue.
It's dark out there, guys. But the lights are in the train. Train cars. Announcer making announcement. Elevator not working or whatever, that elevator. But I used to walk more of the time. This is my stop. Let's exit the train, guys, to another train. So far, this is my second train coming from Coney Island side. Last day of winter.
Connection is available to the Long Island Railroad. This is an accessible station. The elevator is part of the platform.
We get announcement at intervals. There's a little bit of underground, guys. That's it. Your girl, your mama, your sister, Auntie Rosalie Dowdens here in